Hey guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics. In today's video, I want to teach you how to create PayPal account without a phone number verification. And before we start, don't forget hit the like button. Likes are super important for me. First of all, I will tell you that we are going to use SMS activation service, and there are a lot of free SMS activation services on internet. You can find one of them, or you can use the paid one like me. At the moment I'm using sms-activate.org. This is great SMS activation service. It has got a lot of services here, and also prices are very cheap, guys. The link will be in the description. You can sign up, you can top up your balance, and you can create the PayPal account without phone number, guys. So here in the list, in the left side, you should find the PayPal. So let's click PayPal, and you can see there are a lot of countries with different prices. Some of them cost cheap, some of them are too expensive. So at the moment I'm going to use the Kazakhstan mobile number because it costs cheap, 15 rubles, which equals around 20 cents, guys. So I'm going to buy this number. Here is the number. We can use this number for 20 minutes, and the verification code will appear here, guys. So let's copy the mobile number. Let's go back to PayPal and let's start the sign up process. So we are gonna create the personal account. Let's find the Kazakhstan in the list. Okay guys, now let's enter the mobile number. We need to delete the extra 7 here because it's country code. And let's click next. I'm a human. And now we need to wait for the verification code. Let's wait a few seconds and it will appear right here. Okay, in just a few seconds we receive the code. So let's write the code here. Okay, now we need to fill all of the gaps. Okay, let's agree and create account. So we finished the registration process, and now we can use this PayPal, guys. But I don't suggest you to create a personal account with this method, guys, because it's a little bit risky to take someone's mobile phone and create a PayPal account, guys. This is just a simple method how to create PayPal without a phone number, but you should be aware that it's a little bit risky. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.